We are a chosen generation, called for to show His excellence. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So, who is celebrating this festive season without this delicious mashed potatoes recipe? Oh yeah, come now, let's make one, and you and your family, they are gonna love it. Okay, so let's get started. Over here, I have my potatoes. I have neatly peeled and washed. So I am going to divide this into 4, and then we are going to cook it. Okay, Christmas without mashed potatoes, that one is a Christmas. Enough with the rice. Okay, let's make this delicious Christmas potatoes and we are going to enjoy. So in my pot I have some water, so I'll add my potatoes, and then I'll also be adding some crushed garlic, some salt to taste, and then straight to the fire. Okay, so once my potatoes are soft, it's ready. So we're going to drain this and then straight into our bowl. Okay, so we add some butter and then start mashing with our potato masher. If you don't have potato masher, you can use your normal ladle or you can use tapoli. Okay, like we are making it all. So we add some warm milk to it, and then mash. So we are going to mash this till perfection, and then I add some black pepper, and just look at that. You see how smooth and fluffy our potato has become. So ta-da, we are done. Just look at it. Smooth, delicious, and healthy. Looks so buttery. Okay, so why don't you try this mashed potato recipe this Christmas for the family, and they are going to say, thank you mommy, thank you mommy, we want more. Okay, so you can sprinkle some parsley, or you can add some sauce, chicken, meat, whatever you want. I am enjoying mine with some vegetable sauce. Okay, all right, I know you love this and you are going to try it. Thank you. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for the massive support. God bless you. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, if you like this recipe and you know you are trying it, just give me a thumbs up and comment. Okay, thank you guys. I love you. Let's enjoy some smooth mashed potatoes. Bye bye.